U.S. Critical Metals is focused on commodities within the U.S. where there is a lack of supply, high growth demand, and applications critical to U.S. interests, including electrification and national security. Our assets are in Nevada, where we're exploring for lithium clay-based deposits, are in Montana, where we're exploring for rare earths, and in the good state of Idaho, where we're exploring for cobalt. There's a number of large themes unplaying within these commodities within the United States. Specifically, when we look back to the last cycle for mining in the years 2009, 10, 11, 12, the central theme for all that was brick and emerging economies and emerging middle class and globalization. Fast forward to today, after 10 years of lack of investment into mining exploration and development, we now look at a theme of deglobalization, where economies and countries such as the US realize that foreign interests control a lot of these commodities. When I say deglobalization, I mean national security and security of supply within domestic markets, and ensuring that the building blocks of these economies are in place in order to reach long-term and near-term objectives. When I look across the market, I see several events taking place that are really moving the US forward in that regard. One, government incentive programs, but two, industry actually making investment into the space, including GM's investment of $650 million into Lithium Americas in their Thacker Pass project. What that means for lithium specifically within the US is that the US will move forward with a secure supply of lithium from clay, and I anticipate that Thacker Pass will be the first asset within the US to produce and will provide a de-risking event for lithium clay plays within the United States and a re-rating evaluation. I see this as a major development that will play out and aligns perfectly with our acreage in Nevada. I also see groups like USGS, Rio Tinto exploring via airborne geophysics in the south of Montana, and our asset there well positioned to capitalize on what we see as a district scale opportunity. In Idaho, we see our cobalt asset in the recent production and soon-to-be nameplate capacity activities of Drevois Global, and that being the only asset within the U.S. of its type, where cobalt is a primary metal within the deposit, as a significant catalyst to vault our company forward in our exploration activities. U.S. Critical Metals is here at Capital Events to broaden out awareness of our company with high-quality investors, as well as participate in industry discussion. We thank everyone for the opportunity to present and meet with investors here, and we look forward to continuing to participate in capital events going forward.